Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo A18, and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. First, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So if you're using mobile data and Wi-Fi at the same time, they are both consuming your battery power, so disable one of them, disable mobile data or Wi-Fi network to improve battery life. Disable the personal hotspot, it's consuming a lot of battery power. Reduce your screen brightness, disable newbie share, disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, disable location services, of course, and cool. Then the next aspect is to open the settings, and then settings, find battery. In battery, find power saving mode, and here you can enable power saving mode, but I suggest you enable all of these default optimization features. Great. Then of course you can enable super power saving mode. In the super power saving mode, your device will work really long. As you can see, with 92%, my device will work 2 days and 15 hours, and it's really great. But unfortunately in this mode I can use only 6 apps, 3 standard apps and 3 additional. Of course, if you will add games or YouTube here, it will not help you to improve your battery life, but it will help you if you will use only standard apps here. Cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you. I hope this video was helpful for you.